The goal of jacks is to scoop up the correct number of jacks with one hand and catch the ball before it bounces twice. To play, you'll need a small bouncy ball, 10 jacks, and a flat surface to play on. First, scatter the jacks on your playing surface. Then, toss the ball into the air. Grab a single jack and catch the ball after it bounces once, all using the same hand. If you succeeded, you've concluded the Onesies round. Rescatter the jacks and toss the ball. Now, you must scoop up 2 jacks before catching the ball. If you're playing with multiple people, your turn is over if you foul. This happens if you miss the ball or let it bounce more than once. A foul also occurs if you pick up an incorrect number of jacks or move jacks that you didn't scoop up. In that case, you would rescatter all the jacks and let the next player have their turn. If your turn comes again, you resume playing in the same round you fouled out of. For example, if you fouled out in the 6s round, you will try to pick up 6 jacks before the ball bounces twice. Play continues until somebody successfully completes the 10sies round.